Okay, it's time to look at the basically finished kitchen. I'm going to start with this half-inch MDF herringbone ceiling. I made all the MDF out of a sheet of plywood. Goes down onto the hood to match. Hood custom made. And I add the crown setbacks to add depth in the kitchen. Really like that look. Both sides around the window are spice cabinets. Very small cabinets, but trying to find space in the small kitchen to make everything work good. And all the hardware is soft close, Bloom, farmhouse sink. This is a marble and aged mirror backsplash with a epoxy countertop. Pretty close up. Turned out okay. And the hardware polished. 8-inch cabinet pulls. This is the other side of the kitchen. I made a little coffee bar area, and I put the tile in there to match. Inside of the cabinets on all of them are just clear coated birch. I use shellac here. And then again, all the drawers as well are soft close. These ones are undermount. And they're the best drawer size you can get. Another view of the kitchen with the lights on. And it turned out pretty good. You know, there's always room for improvement, but it turned out pretty good. The finish, I'm really happy about. Paint turned out amazing. I had 2 coats of bin and 2 coats of Renner 1321. A lot of sanding, a lot of filling, a lot of long days, but I made it happen. But this is the Renner 1321. After about 10 minutes, laying flat, shot with an airless 306 tip, and it just laid out great. The finish is so smooth, like a lacquer, and quite durable. I didn't use any hardener. And here's a little shot of me spraying my second coat of primer. And people may think that a airless can't get you a good finish. And I say no, it's really just the products you're using and the spray tips and your technique. But thanks for watching and have a good day.